If you're using Rstudio and would like to upload a data set, you can use it using this import dataset command. And so let's first look at let's say you have an Excel file. Here's one that I've been just kind of playing around with. This is the top 20 scores for the 2013-2014 NBA postseason. And this is the percent of free throws made and then the height of the player and then of course the player's name. So Kevin Durant, LeBron James, and so on. And so I just got this data from ESPN.com, and I made a Excel sheet from it. So the main point is that once you create your Excel worksheet, I would have the first row being a header row, or telling me what then the rest of the data is. So this one's called player, this one is percent free throws made, and then height. And so now if I need to save this as a CSV, so I can go to Save As. And it's important to change anything here. You want to make sure that you use the comma delimited, CSV, save file, anywhere you want it to go. I'm just going to say yes to replace the same thing that I've used before. Now I'm going to just close out this window. Now, saved my CSV file, then I want to import it into Rstudio. So I can go to Import Dataset from Text File, and then I need to, just like I do any other file, I can find where it is. I have it on a removable disk. I'm going to upload it. Now I want to say, yes, there is a heading, comma delimited, that's great, and I'm going to import the data set. Now I can see it here in my Rstudio window. Now I can go back here into my script window and I can type attach, and then the name of the actual file. So NBA HFT. It must be exactly how it's read up there. So oops. Then I can run this. This means that I'm going to attach my data set. And so it then comes down here. It looks like it's the same commands as before. Now if I maybe want to make a histogram or some sort of plot from this, I can. I was looking at the relationship between the height and the percent of free throws made, and so I can go on and manipulate data however I want. So maybe I want to plot, or if I've actually forgot what I named the variables. I can go back and see, okay, yeah, player, percent, free throws made, and height. Maybe I want to make a scatter plot and look at the percent of free throws. So plot, percent free throws versus height. And I get a scatter plot of the percent of free throws made versus the height of the player. And so there's a lot of more things that I can do here, but this is how basically I can import a data set and look at the data in Rstudio. It's a little bit different than the original version of R.